Your Galaxy device is about to get a makeover that will make your home screen pop like never before. Forget boring flat icons. We're talking vibrant, 3D fluffy icons that make every tap feel fun and satisfying. Even apps you thought couldn't be customized are about to get a brand new look that will make your phone feel fresh from the future. Welcome back, viewers. Rahul here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Today, I'm diving into the easiest way to transform your Galaxy device with these 3D fluffy icons. Some of you have noticed missing icons or apps that just didn't change with the standard packs, and that's where this method comes in. I'll show you step by step how to create your own fully working 3D fluffy icons, even for apps that aren't covered in the pre-made packs. First, we start with the apps you use every day: Facebook, Amazon, Spotify, you name it. Head to the Play Store, grab a screenshot of the app icon, then open an image editing tool. I'm using Google Gemini. Here's the trick: you can turn any flat icon into a 3D fluffy masterpiece. Simply select the screenshot, apply the 3D effect, tweak the sharpness, crop the edges, and boom, your icon is ready to save. Next, we move into Samsung's theme park. Tap the plus icon, import your newly edited icon, rename it, and apply. Suddenly, your home screen looks completely transformed. Chrome, YouTube, Messenger, even smaller apps like Airtel or Pixart, they all take on a new fluffy life. And yes, every icon works exactly as before, no glitches. Your apps function normally, but now they look amazing. If you're curious about extra tweaks, you can adjust shapes, colors, and even corner redeem for a fully personalized experience. Some of these steps might feel a little extra at first, but trust me, once you see your screen filled with fluffy 3D icons, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. For those looking for a quicker method, there's also a pre-made pack you can purchase or grab via Telegram. Links I'll leave in the description. Either way, your phone style is fully upgraded. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take any icon and turn it into a fluffy 3D gem, making your Galaxy device uniquely yours. So stick around, follow the steps, and get ready to impress anyone who looks at your home screen. If you're new here, subscribe, hit like, and share this video. Let's bring your phone to life together.